How to log into Facebook Lite. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to log into Facebook Lite app. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest contents as well. Alright, so first thing you have to do is open up Facebook Lite. Once you open it up, next step is to enter your phone or email. So let me just go ahead and quickly enter my email address. And you need to enter your password as well. Once you've entered your email address and password, just tap on login. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you need to check your other device to approve. And you can also try another way by sending a verification code on your WhatsApp. Tap on continue, then enter the code. Once you get the code here, so I've just gotten the code, I'll just quickly enter the code. Now tap on continue, and you should be able to log into your Facebook Lite without any problem via the WhatsApp code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.